Eid Mubarak everybody. Now I am at Ostogram 0 Point. You know that the place is very popular and every day a lot of people come here to visit, and today is Eid day. So we have seen that the scenario is awesome because a lot of people already have come here to visit, and especially uh, children has come, and I hope that in the evening a lot of people will come here, and especially in the evening if you come here you will see that all walks of people will come here to enjoy the uh, holy Eid. And you know that from today this route will be drawn on the occasion of Pohela Boishakh, and we will record a global record uh, because from Ostogram 0 Point to Mitamon 0 Point this road will be colored, uh, will be painted on the occasion of Pohela Boishakh, and you all are invited to Ostogram Upazila, because if you don't come here you will not understand how beautiful the place is, and the people of Ostogram Upazila are uh, very much hospitable, and they will try to entertain you. Their behavior and everything is awesome, and if you come to see the beautiful place, our uh, village, river, etc. Okay, thank you very much, and Eid Mubarak to all of you again, and I hope you will come here. Thank you very much.